Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, how to fix grounded to gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, this time select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select if use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update controller drivers. For that, you have to connect your PC and controller first. After that, you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices, select a controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to press alt plus enter keys. So many experts suggest to press alt plus enter keys, as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. So here you will get check for updates option. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache and then click on and confirm it. After that, log into Steam again and after that launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If using wired plug for a controller, then unplug it and replug it and then check if the issue is fixed. Also suggested to use big picture mode for grounded to game. So go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here you can see big picture mode. You have to click on it to enter. After that, try to play the game and then exit big picture mode, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not in grounded to game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.